Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to part 3, where I'm going to tell you how to export a project in Adept and show you where Adept saves your files. So here you can see that I have all my keyframes created and I have rendered all my depth maps. You can filter all your shots by pressing on the shots icon on the left corner in your timeline. You can also filter your keyframes by pressing on the key icon. This will show all your annotated depth maps. And in the upper right corner we have our layers window, where you can hide or unhide your layers individually. Right now I'm checking the left and right eye to preview my stereo result. This is now possible because depth maps have been generated. Now Adept automatically saves your files in your project folder, so you don't have to worry about losing projects while crashing. Now let's take a look how this project folder is set up. All the keyframes I manually created are being saved in a folder called Annotated Depth. These are all the keyframes I have assigned within the program. Note that not all keyframes were created from scratch, there are also some quick corrections in here. Now these corrections are done on top of the generated depth created by the plugin set for each shot. The generated depth maps are located in the folder called Generated Depth. All my depth maps are stored in here, including the annotations. In the input folder we can find the source material as an image sequence. The thumbnails for the generated depth maps and the input files are stored in the generated depth thumbs and the input thumbs folders. In this example I've created a folder called PSD, which is not there by default. Here I'm saving all my Photoshop files. Within the Photoshop file I have all my keyframes grouped with the corresponding frame number. Okay, the remaining files we can see in the project folder are data files. These files are full of code, which you don't really need or want to edit. Alright, let's head on to the next tutorial where we're going to talk about exporting a project. Thanks for watching and see you there.